Mbere ya mambĩrĩirie mawĩra mao ofici-inĩ iria merĩga kũnyuĩra muma wa ũtungata mũrũngarũ, barothi erũ 40 magomanĩte na arũgamĩrĩri a ndundu ya maminista magĩtongorio nĩ mũnini wa President Rigathi Gachagua kũmatarĩria kĩrĩa kĩmetereire.
Your continued stay to wherever you have been posted is pegged on increasing the volume of trade. If you go there, you don't increase trade, you have no business being there at all. That's being truthful.
This is an opportunity also for you to isolate these things and magnify them to our advantage, because clearly then Kenya is generating some very critical interest.
Yourself, sir, and the President have chosen the most diverse ever group of diplomats. Diverse in terms of professional backgrounds. But the other diversity represented, Your Excellency, is the gender diversity. You've seen, for the very first time, so many more women in the rank of ambassadors.
Munini wa President augĩte atĩ thirikari ĩna mũbango wa kũgarũrĩra thirito ciayo na mabũrũri marĩa mangĩ, na gũkĩrĩ ũguo barothi megũkorwo na gĩbarũa kĩnene harĩ gũkinyanĩria mũbango ũyũ mwerũ wa thirikari ũrĩa ũkũrigicĩria kwendia cioneki iria President William Ruto arĩire a Kenya akĩmatha kura.
We want to re-engineer the whole diplomatic space, the whole diplomatic architecture. We want to re-engineer it to focus more on commercial diplomacy as opposed to the traditional way of diplomacy. You people must be very aggressive, extremely aggressive.
We have identified so far 11 reporting requirements in Cabinet. And those 11 reporting requirements, some are monthly, others are bi-monthly, quite a few are quarterly, and 1 or 2 are half-yearly. Many of those have a bilateral or multilateral touch. So when you go out there, I suspect you will be getting quite a lot of requests to feedback, because for Cabinet to receive concrete information, it must have come from the grassroots, it must have come from the missions that we have out there.
President William Ruto nĩerĩga kwanĩrĩra mũtaratara wa kũnyihia thabarĩ cia maabitha thirikari iria kaingĩ cigiritanagio na wanangi wa mbeca cia mũingĩ nĩ kwaga umithio, na rĩu barothi aya erũ merĩtwo thabarĩ iria ciranyihio cikũrĩkĩrĩra na kuongerereka kwa wĩra wao.
The reality of tourism is this: Kenya is doing poorly in tourism numbers. Kenya should be recording realistically with what we have, God has given us, 70-80 million tourists coming to our country.
Vile unauza nchi yako ndio tutakuwa. Ukienda ukisema nchi yetu unajua tuko na shida, COVID imetumaliza, mvua imetuvuruka, sisi hata sijui tutakuwa namna gani, hiyo uchaguzi karibu tukwishe, ni Mungu tu alitusaidia. What image are you painting of Kenya?
Barothi arĩa mamũrĩtwo ũtongoria-inĩ mũhĩtũku nĩ mambĩrĩirie kũhũndũka na mũciĩ, ayerũ makĩrĩgĩrĩrwo kwambĩrĩria wĩra kuma mwaka ũkĩte. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Wawerũ wa Nyambura.